Forget the iPhone 15. Leaks are already swirling about its successor, the iPhone 16, and let me tell you, it's gonna be wild. Buckle up, tech fam, because we're diving deep into the hottest rumors and possibilities for this next-gen beast. Remember the cool action button on the iPhone 15? Well, get ready for it to become the star of the show on all iPhone 16 models, even the non-Pro ones. But wait, there's more. The iconic mute button might be saying goodbye, making way for a sleeker, more streamlined design. And rumors whisper of a dedicated capture button for effortless video recording. Hello, content creators. Feeling cramped on your current iPhone? The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max could offer more screen real estate, with rumored sizes of 6.2 and 6.8 inches. But hold on, because an Ultra model with a mind-blowing 6.9-inch display could be the ultimate game changer. If you prefer things compact, the base models might stick to their familiar sizes. Get ready to unleash your inner photography pro. The iPhone 16 Pro Max might boast a periscope zoom lens, letting you capture distant subjects with jaw-dropping clarity. Both Pro models could rock a 48MP main sensor for insanely detailed shots, and even the non-Pro versions might join the 5x zoom party. Plus, analysts predict a 48MP ultra-wide upgrade for both Pros, perfect for capturing epic landscapes and group selfies. Speed demons, rejoice! The new 18 series chip built on cutting-edge tech is rumored to power the iPhone 16. Imagine lightning-fast app loading, seamless multitasking, and lag-free gaming. The A18 promises to be a powerhouse, but here's the twist. Rumors suggest different chip variants for Pro and non-Pro models, with the Pro getting an even more powerful A18 Pro. While high refresh rate displays might still be exclusive to Pro models in 2024, the dynamic island notch replacement could shrink for a cleaner look. And for those dreaming of a truly bezel-less experience, under-display Face ID remains a possibility for the iPhone 16 Pro. While not a revolutionary leap for iPhone 15 owners, the iPhone 16 could be a game changer for those with older models or first-time iPhone buyers. The potential design changes, camera improvements, and performance boost are pretty sweet. But if you're happy with your current iPhone, waiting for the iPhone 17 might be wise. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As we get closer to launch, more info will surface. So smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. And hey, leave a comment below. What excites you most about the iPhone 16? Let's chat!